Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. This boat is powered by a Mercury Verado 225 4-stroke digital throttle shift with a stainless ski tow bar and a stainless ladder. As we enter the boat, you will see this is the single lounger layout with a lot of seating in the cockpit area. Have a portable cup holder you can move throughout the boat. Trash can storage, and also under every seat there's storage as well. This boat has the high back helm chair, flip up armrest, tilt wheel steering, total lighting package, upgraded JL audio stereo system. As we come forward, this is going to have the built-in changing room. You get the sub with the JL audio upgrade, in-floor ski locker storage, and 2 big loungers forward for plenty of seating. This concludes a walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.